Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. I want to show you the update in my sewing room. I'm working on an inset shelving unit that is going to be placed right here in this dead space. I cut out the drywall in between my studs. I still have to clean it up because I have a little bit of lippage right here. This unit is not going to fit until I clean up the sides here with the drywall knife, and I'll probably use my rasp as well. But when it is finished, this is so cool. This unit is just going to sit right in between the studs. It's going to slide right in. I'll screw that in and add trim on the top, the sides, and the bottom. And then since this is going to hold my spools of embroidery thread, the smaller spools, the two bottom shelves, which aren't installed yet, in fact one just fell out because I still have to screw that one in, those are going to hold the larger cones, which I don't have too many of, but I do want to have a couple shelves for those. Then I will add a door right here that will just open up against this wall. That's the plan anyway. And then I don't want it over here because it'll open up right up into my closet. All right, so lots of things going on in the sewing room. And then after that, I have a whole nother unit going on over on the other side, but my target date is September 30th. Please hold me to it because I need a little bit of inspiration and motivation to finish this up. All right, you guys, thanks for watching.